Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, guys, look in the description of the video and get one of our video courses. I show you how you can make figures in less than 1 year, and I also teach you how you can sell hotspots, basically how you can resell internet to other people. But enough of that, guys. Let's get right into this beautiful neck warmer. We want to unbox it, and I'm going to give you my opinion on the Jisulife Neck Warmer. Let's go ahead to the workbench. All right, guys, so we have the device right here. Now this is a neck warmer. Now one of the things that I want to highlight are some of the things that they have on the box right here, and as you can see, it's written in Chinese, but they do have English dub at the bottom. So basically you got 5-second rapid heating, 4-grade temperature control, intelligent digital display, and 900 milliamp battery up in here. That's basically most of the useful information that you're going to get on the box. On the back, they do have some specs on the back, mainly just telling you like the capacity of the wattage, the amperage and stuff like that. So they do have that in the back of the box. So let's go ahead and see exactly what type of presentation that they're giving you. And as expected, guys, it's not the best presentation. This is a budget device. The main thing we want to know is, do it work? So here's the device itself. What we want to do, we want to go ahead and look underneath the device and see if they have anything else inside the box. And as you can tell, underneath the device, you're getting a USB-C charger, USB-C to USB-A charger. I like the wire because it's the flat wire, right? And of course, you're getting your quick starter or user manual right here. So let's go ahead and get the device out of the box. And I want to pay close attention to the bill. Now, right off the back, the first thing I noticed that it do have a nice little feel to it. Just the right amount of weight to it. It's nice and balanced. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels almost premium. And the reason why I say almost premium, guys, when you get right here, that coating, plastic or whatever, you know, I would have loved for this to have been like some type of brushed metal or something brushed on here. But other than that, the weight, it does feel premium. Have the logo right there, nice little branding. This would be your display right here. This is your power button right there. Right here, this is where you would charge it. It's labeled left, label right, so you can know the correct way to put it on and off. Is it adjustable? It doesn't appear to be adjustable unless I haven't figured it out yet, but it do have a little flex right here. Okay, so far, guys, I'm looking to see if they have any type of padding, which they don't, which makes sense because if this thing's going to heat up, you don't want any type of padding that can start to smell funny or whatever and potentially catch on fire. So that's a look at the device itself. Let's go ahead and power it on. And you can see right here, come on, it says 40 C. So I guess they have it in Celsius. I wonder if we can change it to Fahrenheit. But let's go ahead and mess around with it a little bit and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm back here with the device. Now, after looking through the manual, it's not a long read, guys. Basically, when it's power off, you can just click it one time, call it standby mode, press that one time, and you can see the percentage of battery you have left, all right? So it's telling me I'm at 37% battery, I believe. Yes. But if you're pressing, you hold it for 2 seconds, it's going to power the device on. All right. And you can see they start off at 40 degrees Celsius. I don't believe you can change it to Fahrenheit. At least I haven't figured out how to turn it on. And when you want to switch to the next temperature, you press the power button one time. And it's going to go up. It's going to go up 5 again. It's going to go up 5 again. 55 is the highest. Now, one of the interesting things in the safety feature is that if you have it set to 55, after 15 minutes, it's going to drop it back to the lowest setting to make sure that you don't inadvertently cause a burn on yourself. So I think that's a nice safety feature, especially if someone put this on and fall asleep. Overall, the device feel good. I'm gonna go ahead and wear it while I edit this video and see exactly how I feel and see if I can use this outside in my gazebo in the wintertime while I'm watching my projector. I'm out there and I might be using my CBD. Can this make a difference? We will see. All right, guys, welcome back. So one of the things I want to say about this is extremely comfortable. I do want to warn you, if you put it on the max setting, guys, and it's pressed up against your neck on your bare skin, it can get a little uncomfortable. I'm thankful for that safety feature in there where it shuts off after a certain amount of time. I found that I was able to wear it for about an hour or so before I charged it up. Now, I didn't let it get all the way down to 0, but after an hour I just put it back on the charger. So depending on your settings will determine how much you get out of it. Of course, if you have it turned up high, then probably draining the battery faster, guys. But overall, I love it. I love it. I don't know what it is about it, because there's no rotors or anything up in here. There's no type of massage motors to vibrate or anything up in here. It's just a heating element, but the shape and the weight, it just massages your neck. Just the way that it sits on your neck, the way that this is weighted and it's on your neck with the heat, it's a pleasant experience. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this 5 out of 5, guys. So go ahead, look in the description of the video and check this out, man. This is great, especially during the winter time. Your boy taking the bathroom 10x time. Peace. Don't forget subscribe. I like it, man. Help me with the little aches and pain and stuff around the shoulder area. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.